Tired of sending emails one by one? Let's unlock the secret to efficient bulk emailing in Follow-Up Boss, saving you time and boosting your real estate game. First, log into your Follow-Up Boss account and navigate to the People section. This is where all your contacts reside, ready to be engaged. Now, segment your audience using filters. Click on Add Filter and use criteria like tags, stage, or last contacted date to create targeted lists. For example, filter for all leads tagged interested in selling to create a specific campaign for them. Once your filter is set, select the contacts you want to include in your bulk email. You can either select all contacts matching the filter, or manually select individual contacts by checking the boxes next to their names, then click the bulk email button. A new window will pop up with the email composer here. Craft your compelling message. Personalize your email using merge fields like first name to make your emails feel more personal. These are available in a drop-down menu. Carefully review your email to ensure everything is perfect and free of errors. Then choose to send your email immediately or schedule it for later. Scheduling can be particularly useful for reaching your audience at optimal times. And that's it.